Hey guys, welcome back to the another video. So in this video we will be doing the revenue forecasting for a hotel. So let's start. So let's assume this hotel has the 100 rooms. Okay. Now these rooms is segregated by the 50 single rooms and 30 double occupancy room, and rest 20 are the family rooms. Now how to set the pricing of these 100 rooms? So just open the map and search for your nearby locations and their hotels. Look at the hotel prices of the nearby hotels. Now, now let's set our hotel price. 50 single price we are selling at 1000 per room. 30 couples we are selling at 2000 per room, and 20 family rooms we are selling 3000 per room. Now let's discuss the three mode of demand. The first one is OTA, like you are taking booking from the booking.com or Agoda. Now, the second uh, demand we are getting from the TA. So you might have the local agents who's providing the bookings to you. Now let's talk about the third demand. We are getting out of the third is walking. So you might have seen the people walk directly to the hotels for the room bookings. Now let's forecast the revenue in the Excel sheet. So now let's open our Excel file. Okay. So our demand are getting from the OTA, TA, and walking, and we have a single occupancy, double occupancy, and family room. Now, so let's say on OTA like booking.com or Agoda, I'm selling this price. This at 1000, this at 2000, and family room at 3000. Now, so TA always asks for the lesser price compared to the online price. So I'm giving this price to the TA, and these are the assumption based. These are not the realistic numbers. So we are just uh, doing the forecasting based on the real assumption based numbers. So if a customer walking, so he asks for the lesser price. So we are giving the lesser price for the walking customer. Now, so this is my table for the price distribution. Okay, this is my price distribution model. Now, we talk about the hotel occupancy. So I'll choose the value and number format. Okay, no worry. I'll do this again. Okay, so now we'll talk about the occupancy. So the hotel occupancy is 80%. So let's assume 50% is getting from the OTA, 20% booking I'm getting from the RTA, and 10% is the walking. Okay, so in this I'm getting 50% from the single occupancy, 30% for the double occupancy, and 20% for the family rooms. And this I'm getting for the all the demands. Booking contribution. Okay, now let's do the booking distribution. So I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. I'll add one column here for rooms. This I'll leave out. So OTA I have given 50%. Okay, so total rooms are 100. Okay, so 50 and I'm given to the OTA. So basically I'm getting the uh, I have given 50% to the OTA. So what I will do, 100 into 50 and 20% to the OTA. So 100 into 20 and 10% walking. 100 into this. So this is what is the room distribution. So we are getting 50% from the OTA. Now we will divide this 50 into 50. Okay, so we will add the dollar sign in front of D and do the copy and paste for all the. So it's like 50, 20 and 10. These are the okay. So this is the booking distributions. Now let's do the revenue forecast. Do the copy and I'll do the paste here. Now for OTA we have a single occupancy. Okay, and we are getting at the price of 100. Okay, this. So I'll do the dollar sign here and I'll do the copy paste. So this is the my revenue forecasting. Revenue per day. Okay, now let's do the sum. So this is the I'll do the control D and control D. Now that is the total revenue. do the sum here. So this is my per day revenue forecasted. Now let's do the revenue forecast. So I will create first column month here, then days in the month, and revenue per day. Okay, then the revenue for the month. So month is like Jan 24. So I'll do this November, December. So this has 31 days, 28, 31, 30, 31, 31, 31, 30, 31, 30, 31. So average revenue per day is this. I'll do the copy and I'll paste as value. So my revenue for the month will be days into revenue per day. Revenue forecast. Now I'll do the header color here. Now, so I'll do the total here. Final REVEN revenue. So this is the my final revenue. Okay. To get the more accurate number, what we can do, we can see the historical trend for your nearby hotels. So let's assume there are some up and down for the in the past few years. So last previous trend, revenue trend. Okay, so what I see, 5% jump in next month, 20% jump in March, and then 2% jump in this. Then the lean month starts from May to September. Then we see 10% jump in October, 20% jump in November, and 20% jump in December. Now let's calculate our final revenue. Final revenue as historical trend. So this is my okay. Now I'll see the growth. So 1.05%. Again 20% growth. Then into 1.2. Now 2% growth. Then this into 1.02. Now the lean. So I'm taking the lean here. Okay, now again the 10% growth, then into 1.1, again 20% growth into 1.2, then again 20% growth into 1.2. So my final revenue will be this. This is almost 9 cr 70 lakh 25,821. So this will be my forecasted revenue. Uh, so if you like this video, and if you have any comment on this revenue forecasting, you can comment below. If you have any question, you want to ask something, you can ask me. You almost have my email ID, or you can reach out to me on masanalyticshub@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye. Have a nice day.